Are you ready for a financial rollercoaster ride? The Indian stock market is buzzing with exciting developments, and we've got the highlights for you. Gujarat Properties is making waves with its recent Q2 results, showing an 8% rise in profits, though it fell short of estimates. Meanwhile, the benchmark indices, Sensex and Nifty, are on the rise, thanks to giants like RIL and Infosys leading the charge. But that's not all. The world of finance is witnessing a record number of firms going public, promising fresh investment opportunities. On the international front, Thomas Cook shares have hit a record high as their Q2 profits surged multifold. Sun Pharma and Gale are also in the spotlight with their Q2 results, showcasing strong operating performances. And finally, in the world of resources, Vedanta Resources is in talks for a substantial $500 million loan to meet its repayment obligations. Stay tuned for all the details and insights in our upcoming videos. The financial world is on the move, and you won't want to miss a beat. Subscribe now for more updates and analysis. Gujarat Consumer Products Limited has just announced an interim dividend of 5 rupees per share, with a payment date set for on or before the 1st of December, 2023. REC Limited is joining the dividend party, declaring their second interim dividend of 3.50 rupees per share. The dividend yield stands at an attractive 4.45%. Mark your calendars for the record date on November 13, 2023. Meanwhile, Embassy Office Parks REIT is considering distributing dividends to unit holders. The payment is expected on or before November 10, with an ex-dividend date of November 2. The dividend yield mirrors REC Limited, also at 4.45%. The record date is set for November 3, 2023. Indraprastha Gas Limited has declared an interim dividend of 4 rupees per share. Prepare for the record date on November 15, 2023. Safari Industries, India, Limited has announced an interim dividend of 2.50 rupees per share, with a payment date scheduled on or before November 30. Mark your calendars for the record date on November 10, 2023. Anupam Rasayan India Limited is set to consider the declaration of its first interim dividend and fixing the record date on November 7, 2023. PDS Limited is making its shareholders happy with an interim dividend of 1.60 rupees per share. The record date is November 15, 2023. Vaibhav Global Limited has declared an interim dividend of ₹0.75 per share. Mark your calendars for the record date on November 7, 2023. WPIL Limited has postponed the record date for the interim dividend, which was initially scheduled for November 3. The new record date is November 13, 2023. DDEV Plastics Industries Limited is all set to consider the declaration of its interim dividend on November 12, 2023. Elpro International Limited has declared an interim dividend of ₹0.60 per share. The record date is November 13, 2023. Steelcast Limited is gearing up for its second interim dividend of 1.35 rupees per share, with the record date on November 15, 2023. Career Point Limited is planning to consider the declaration of an interim dividend on November 8, 2023. PPAP Automotive Limited is eyeing an interim dividend to be considered on November 9, 2023. The record date is set for November 18, 2023. QGO Finance Limited has declared its second interim dividend of ₹0.015 per share. with the record date on November 10, 2023. GM Polyplus Limited is set to consider an interim dividend on November 7, 2023. IFL Enterprises Limited has declared an interim dividend of Re0.01 per share, with the record date on November 17, 2023. Additionally, they have announced a bonus issue in the ratio of 1:10 on the same date, and stay tuned as they consider a buyback at their next AGM. AlphaLogic Technologies Limited is considering the issue of bonus shares on November 7, 2023. Paul Merchants Limited is contemplating the issuance of bonus shares on November 9, 2023. Indus Finance Limited is evaluating the proposal of a rights issue on November 6, 2023. It's an exciting time for investors as these companies share their profits and plan for the future. Stay tuned for more financial updates right here on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest financial news and updates. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up if you like, subscribe, press the bell icon and never miss an update, share and comment your thoughts on the comment section, and stay tuned with Corporate Actions India.